Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm applying Chantecaille's Africa's Vanishing Species collection. So in this review video, I'll be applying the shades to my eyelids, and I really want to know if they really work with other products. Does it form well? Does it last long? Keeping charity on the side, I really want to know how these palettes themselves perform. So as you can see, I already have my foundation on, concealer, and I already set under my eyes. So I'm jumping right into the shadow palettes. So I have 6 shades, and honestly it's so hard to choose because they're all so pretty. But what really struck me the most was Pangolin Dusky Lilac right here. And honestly, wait, I have that upside down right here. So I think it's like super pretty. I think the color is just like beautiful. And another one that I liked, which is the Rhino. It's super pigmented right here, you can see that. So I really love these colors. I think I'm gonna use both of them. So I'm using my Sigma brush, large shader E60. And it's pretty flat, so I'm gonna use that as a base. So I just applied on this eyelid, and you could tell it just picks up color and I could build on it. So what I've realized when I primed my eyes and they were wet and I didn't use any sort of setting powder, I felt like it really stuck. Okay, compared to last time, I used a setting powder on my eyelids and then I applied the eyeshadow and I felt like it was too sheer. So today, and I just like prepped my eyelids, but I didn't use a setting powder. So I've realized when your lids are wet, color picks up a lot better. So when I feel like your eyelids are dry or your skin is dry, it's not gonna pick up much color. It's more of a sheer color. It would come off more of a sheer color. However, when your skin is wet, I feel like it's like glue, it just sticks. So I'm just taking this color and going right under the brow bone. I think this color is just absolutely beautiful. Again, this is like the first stroke and I feel like it's sheer, but again, like I said, it just builds up color. I don't know if it shows in the camera. Okay, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. Using just one shade, and I feel like the look is done. I mean, what I love about it, what I've noticed when I have it on my eyelids, it's multicolored. So you have like these purple or lilac sparkles, yet there's like an undertone of like a brownish bronze color. So it makes it look like the look is done. Like one palette and you're ready. If it shows, can you see? So honestly, I would be happy with this look. So again, I think this would be super convenient if you have somewhere to be in like 5-10 minutes. You could just like add this on and you're good to go. I do want to see how well they play together. So going in with a darker tone right here. This is the Rhinoceros and Sophisticated Olive. So now I'm going in with a fluffy brush and I'm using Sigma, of course, and it's E45. And look at it, it just picks up color and it's so satisfying. I do have to say, I think this palette is really about just using one color for your eyelid, because adding shimmer to more shimmer is just like too much. I feel like it's a party. So even though they're both like super shimmery, there is definition. You could definitely tell the darker shade from the lighter shade. I wouldn't mind going out like this. And like I said, it's so easy to blend, like effortlessly. So if you're new here and you're enjoying this video, please leave a thumbs up. So far the palette is performing really well. I absolutely love it. And what I love about it is, again, just using one shade, you're good to go. But knowing me, I just have to go a little extra just to see how well it blends out and how the colors play together. Use a clean, round brush to blend out the shadow to avoid any like harsh streaks. Now the thing I'm super excited about, I've said it in my last video, and I really wanted to use the Cheetah and its warm champagne, and I really wanted to use it as a highlighter. I really wanted to see how well it performs as a highlighter. Yeah, that definitely is a highlighter. And I'm adding a little bit of mascara to bring this look together. And to finish this look and tie it all together, I added mascara and lipstick. When there's a little bit of moisture on your eyelids, so if you have them primed with concealer or primer or foundation or whatever it is that you like to prime your eyelids with, it really helps build color, and it picks up color, and the color comes out super pigmented, to say the least. I recommend you using it without a setting powder on your eyelids. That's what I could say. So it's super easy to build up. One palette or one color is all you need. Today I just like added two. I just wanted to see how they go together, but like I said, I did show you using one color and it was just beautiful. Every color is, in my opinion, I think every color is just uniquely different and beautiful, and I don't think you could go wrong with them. If you like metallics, if you like shimmer, this is the palette that you need to get. So I'm just taking the lilac, and my skin is dry. And I feel like it's super sheer. Now, let me just add a little bit of foundation, just so you could get a better idea. Over here, I added concealer, and then I added the shadow. And here, I just added the shadow, and my skin is basically dry. You could definitely see the difference. So I did a little experiment. I added foundation on the back of my hand and did a quick swatch, and you could definitely see it's super pigmented. So yeah, my advice to you is to basically prime your lids without adding setting powder and just go with the shadows. And they turn out something like this. So to wrap it up, I overall love this palette. I love how it performs. I love how pigmented it is when using a wet surface. So again, I love the way it performs. I love the colors. It has a beautiful cause. But let's put that aside and really talk about the product itself. $60 per shade, it is kind of steep. It is really expensive. If you do want to get this and you're on a budget, what I suggest is getting at least 1 or 2 colors, at least one. Like I said, one shade, it's gonna do the trick because you could tell it has this multicolor or two-tone feel with the shimmer. So it would work with any look that you go for. It's one color and it finishes the look, it makes the look. All right, and that is it. Thanks guys for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.